Today we're going to have a look at dividing a 4-digit number by a single digit. Now that's just a wee step up from what we were doing before. So what would the sum normally look like is 3,720 divided by 5. But to make it a wee bit easier for us, we're putting it into the Lorry sums again. So 3,720 divided by 5. So we think to ourselves, again, we're looking at this one here, and we're saying, is 3 a station of the 5 times table? Can 3 be divided by 5? No, so what's the station below 3 in the 5 times table? That's right, it's 0. So 5 times 0 is 0, and how many have we got left over? We've got 3. Okay, that's the first step. It's just the same kind of steps as we were doing before, except it's bigger numbers. 37 divided by 5. Is 37 a station of the 5 times table? Nope, that's right. So let's go to the station below 37 in the 5 times table. 5 times what is that number? That's right, it's 5 times 7, which makes 35. And if we've got 37 and we've used 35, how many have we got left over? 35, 37, that's right, we've got 2 left over. So our next sum is going to be 22 divided by 5. 5 times what is 22? Can we do that? Is 22 a station of the 5 times table? No, it's not. So we're going to have to go below 22 for the station of the 5 times table. What's the station below 22? That's right. 5 times 4 is 20. And how many are left over? That's right, it's 2. 5 times 4 is 20, and we had 2 left over, so we carried that over onto our last and final 0. Our last part is 20 divided by 5. 5 times 4 is 20. That's right, it's the exact same as last time, except this time we've got no numbers left over. So that's our answer for the first one. Let's have a look at the next one. 5,436 divided by 4. And to make it easier for us, we'll make it into this Lorry sum. So again, we're looking at the first number. Can 5 be divided by 4? 4 times something makes 5. That's right, it's not a station of the 4 times table, but what is the number before 5 in the station of the 4 times table? Quite an easy one for us. 4 times 1 makes 4. So 4 times 1 makes 4. How many have we got left over? 4 times 1 makes 4, but we've got 5. So how many have we got left over? That's right, 1. So let's have a look at the next one. 4 times something makes 14. 14 divided by 4. Is 14 a station of the 4 times table? No, it's not. So we'll go the number below 14, or the station below 14 in the 4 times table. 4 times what? That's right, it's 4 times 3 makes 12. And then how many have we got left over to carry forward with us? 4 times 3 makes 12, and we've got 14, so 15, 16, so we've got 2 to carry on. That's right. Now let's look at number 23. Is 23 a station of the 4 times table? No, it's not. So what's the station below 23 in the 4 times table? That's right. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20, but we've got 23, so how many are we carrying forward? 4 times 5 is 20, but we've got 23, and we've used 20, so we've got 3 left over to carry forward. Okay, so let's have a look. Is 36 a station of the 4 times table? Oh, we're pretty lucky this time. 36 is a station of the 4 times table. 4 times what makes 36? 4 times 9 makes 36, that's right. 4 times 9 makes 36. Doing really well. Let's have a look at the next one. The number we're looking at is 2,562 divided by 2. And again, we're going to turn it into a Lorry sum. So we're going to have 2,562 divided by 2. So we're starting off here. Can 2 be divided by 2? 2 times something makes 2. That's right. 2 times 1 makes 2. We've got none left over, so we're not carrying over, because 2 times 1 makes 2, and we've got 2 down here. Let's check the next one. Is 5 a station of the 2 times table? No, that's right. What's the station below 5? in the 2 times table? Yep, it's 4. So 2 times what makes 4? 2 times 2 make 4. And if we've used 4 out of our 5, how many have we got left over? How many are we carrying? 2 times 2 is 4, and we've got 5, so we're carrying 1 over to our next part. Let's have a look at that one. Is 16 a station of the 2 times table? 2 times something makes 16. Does it work? That's right. 2 times 8 makes 16. And have we got any left over? 2 times 8 makes 16. None left over again, which is quite handy. And let's have a look at the last one. 2 divided by 2. Now we've already done that. So 2 times something makes 2. 2 times what makes 2? 2 times 1 makes 2. That was a pretty easy one for us. Let's try our next one. It's the same thing. The number is written down, and it's 4,209 divided by 3. And we put it into a logarithm. 4,209 divided by 3. Is 4 a station of the 3 times table? 3 times something make 4. No, it's not. So let's go to the number before 4 and the stations of the 3 times table. That's right. 3 times 1 makes 3. And how many are left over? 3 times 1 makes 3, but we've got 4, so how many have we got left over? 3 times 1 makes 3, with 1 left over. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1 we've left over makes 4. So now let's look at the next one. 12 divided by 3. 3 times what makes 12? Is 12 a station of the 3 times table? Yes, it is. So 3 times what makes 12? 3 times 4. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, but 3 times 4 makes 12. What about 0? Is 0 a station of the 3 times table? Yes, it is, because 0 is the first station of any times table. So 3 times 0 is 0. And the last one, 9 divided by 3. 3 times something make 9. Does that work? Is 9 a station of the 3 times table? Yes, it is. So 3 times what makes 9? 3 times 3 makes 9.